Okay, hello guys. So, please let's go to page 89 on your workbook. Okay, now we're going to start working with exercise number 5. So, let's see what we have here. We're having this situation. Shirley is thinking of a number. 25% of that number is equal to 110. So, what number is Shirley thinking of? Okay, so we don't know the whole number, all the number. We just know a small part, and that small part is equal to 110. That small part represents 25%. So to all our figure, or to all our unknown number, we're going to use a model to represent that. So we're going to say that this green square represents the 100% of that number. So we're going to write here, all this is equal to 100%. And all that also represent the number that we are looking for. Now, we're going to represent with a model, on this model, this 25%. So, we're going to have this small piece here. There is it. So, we're going to use this small part here, and we're going to say that this yellow part is 110, that represent 25%. So using this bar model, we're going to say that our 25% is equal to 110. 1% will be 110 divided by 25. So, will be equal to 4.4. So, what we're going to write there? The next step will be writing 100%, because we already know the value of just 1%. So, 100% will be what? 100 times 4.4. So, our 100% will be the product of 100 times 4.4. And applying the life hack of math, we're going to move this decimal point just twice to get 440. That means that all this model is 440. And that means that Shirley is thinking of the number 440. Okay, we are on exercise 6, page 89 on your workbook. Now we're going to read that exercise. And it says, Alex has 3 pens in his pencil case. Okay, so those 3 pens, is the 25% of the number of pens that he has. Now, how many pens does Alex has altogether? Altogether means that we're going to look for the all amount of pens. We're not looking just a part, we're looking all the set of pen that he has on his pencil case. So what we're going to do, we're going to start making a bar model to represent that operation, to represent this exercise. So our first rectangle will be the 100%. So we're going to have this. That green rectangle represents our 100%. So we're going to write on it over it our 100. There is it. Now, this 25. So we're going to represent that 25 with another square that in this case will be a yellow one. So we're going to have that part, and that part is 25%. Now, we know how many pens are 25%, right? There are 3. So we're going to write here 3 pens. Like that. And we're having the same instruction, the same structure as exercise number 5. So what we're going to have here, the unknown. There you go. Now we're going to start making the numerical procedure to find our unknown, to find all the amount of pens that he has on his pencil case. So we're going to start writing the amount that we know. So 25%, we're going to say that is equal to 3 pens. Like that. Now, 1% will be equal to 3 divided by 25. Now, we're going to say that division, 3 divided by 25, you can use your calculator, okay, to divide 3 divided by 25, write it in this way on your calculator, and you will get 0.12. Okay, the next step will be having our 100%, because we already found just one part and we need to find the 100th part. So we're going to have here 100% will be equal to half 0.12 times 100. So this product will be equal to half. We're having here 2 zeros, so that means that we're going to move this decimal point twice. 12. So that means that all the amount of pens that Alex has altogether are 12. Now we're going to work with an extra exercise that is not on your Puppix book nor workbook, but is on the TE book, the teacher edition book. So let's see that. We're having here the cost of a movie ticket with 7% of GST. The GST is like the tax. Here in Honduras is like the ISV, Impuesto sobre Venta. So the tax, the movie ticket with the tax price is 12.84. So we need to find the cost of the movie ticket before the tax. Okay, so we're going to make a bar model again to represent that situation. So the full price of that ticket, including the GST, will be our main rectangle. There you see. Now we're going to represent the tax. This rectangle is working the price, the movie ticket price or movie ticket cost, including the GST. So GST must be here inside. There you see. Now, what percent represent the yellow square? Represent the 7%, and all these represent the 100%. So we're going to write all the arrows and bracket and braces that we write when we make a bar model to solve an exercise. So we're going to have here that this is our 7%. All this is our 100%, and that 100% is 12.84. So, using this model, what we are looking for, the cost of the movie ticket before GST. This is the GST. So now can you see better what we are looking for? We're looking for this. We're looking for the remainder green part. So if all the rectangle is 100%, this small part is the 7%, so the remainder will be what percent? 93%. There you see it. Now we're going to make the same numerical procedure to find that 93% that we need. Okay, so we're going to say that our 100%, okay, we're going to work from the bottom to the top. So our 100% will be equal to 12.84. Okay, just 1% will be equal to 12.84 divided by 100. Now, in your homes, please make that procedure. You can use calculator. Okay, can anyone tell me the answer? Okay, we are dividing that by 100, so that means that we're going to move, in this case, our decimal point twice, but to the left. So 1, 2, having here 0.1284. There is it. Now we already have the 1%, so it will be easier to us find the remainder 93%. So what we're going to do, we're looking for the 93%. So we're going to write here 93% will be equal to the amount that we already found, 0.1284 and we're going to multiply it by the 93. Okay, so in your calculator, solve that operation. The amount will be 11.94. So the cost of the movie ticket before the GST was 11.94. We can say that it will be also 12, rounding that value.